What's going on, YouTube? OCD3DC here. What I got for your face balls today, we have got a brand new package coming from my good friends over at Northwest Knives. And you guys know what that means. There's some new Spydercos in this box. So thanks so much to the Park family, Northwest Knives. It's an awesome shop. You guys ever get out to Meridian, Idaho, go and check out Northwest Knives. We're a little unboxing knife. I've got a small one sitting right here, and just because I haven't used it for a while, I think we'll use the old Benchmade Onslaught. You know, it's getting a little, hasn't had some on-screen time for a little while, so, you know, had to bust this one out. But let's take a gander and see what we got going on in this package. And you guys know the deal. We'll check out, see how sharp these things are coming from the old Spydercos. Generally, Spyderco does a pretty good job. Get the paperwork out. Oh, there's several knives in here. Okay. So we got this one, that one, this one right here. Oh, we got a bunch of little boxes. Bunch of little boxes going on. Plus, we have this one, which is very, very cool. Okay, that looks like it. The Spyderco Collector Club wooden version with the hollow sticker on there. That is pretty freaking cool. I'm digging that for sure. That's funny. I might just leave that for another day. Let's set these out. And okay, so I still don't know what these are, but I'm just looking and seeing that we've got one yellow sticker here. So we'll just open that one first, see what we're working with here. So I think this is going to be a persistence. Is that correct? No, I'm sorry. The ambitious. There we go. Fully serrated S35 VN. Is it S35? Oh yeah. S35 VN right there. This is just a small, wee little guy, but a cool knife nonetheless. Definitely need to flip that pocket clip around. It's a little difficult to hold on to with the pocket clip in that orientation. Tip up carry, but it is 4-way reversible pocket clip. And yeah, nice blue color, nice S35 VN. So we'll check that thing out. Now, oh, okay. So we got another blue ambitious here. And I'm guessing this one is plain edge. It is. So there you go. Little Spyderco ambitious S35 VN again, coming in the tip up or tip down configuration. I think I said tip up earlier. I meant to say tip down. There you go. So you can Spidey flick it. It is a liner lock. These are lightweight versions. Now we got one more small box. Oh, okay. Now, this one is going to be a dealer exclusive. Let's see. Yeah, Knife Center, dealer exclusive, CPM crew wear. It's going to be smooth, a black G10. And this one is a black DLC coated blade. Okay. Little native standard blade shape here, so it's not the Warncliffe. Smooth black G10, black coated blade, crew wear, and you know, the little native, great little knife, good in hand. The small, tiny brother to the Spyderco Shaman. Very, very cool little knife right there. Okay, now I don't know what's in there, but let's check this. You know what? Let's wait on that one. Let's do this one first. Let's see. Oh, okay. So this one definitely is also going to be another dealer exclusive. And I'm just assuming, yeah, this one's Blade HQ. So this one is going to be mint green FRN. Looks like a Delica. Yes, that is a Delica for sure. I'm guessing it's going to be in CPM M4 blade steel, black clip, black lock bar, black hardware, Delica in M4 There you go. CPM M4. Got the collector club number on there. You know, the Delica is just a great knife. It really is. Been around for a long time. Super, super thin blade stock. It's just a really great user. Size is good. Good for a lot of people. It's a back lock, so it's real simple and easy to use. You know, just a good one. So there you go. Mint green, CPM M4 blade steel. Now, let's see what we got going on in this package. I was going to have to get a tool out for that, but let's see. Okay, so we got a mule team. This is for sure a mule team. Mule team number 39. Oh, shit. This is CPM 15V mule team number 39. And if you guys want to pause it right there, you can read, you can see the composition of the steel. CPM 15V is 3.4% carbon, 5.25% chromium, 1.3% molybdenum, 14.5% vanadium. So that's how we're getting these really, really crazy edge retention on the 15V. The vanadium carbides here are incredibly high, where it gets its name 15V, right? Let's stick this down there for right now. But let's pull this old girl out. So you guys know the deal. There's 15V has been talked about a lot recently because of Mr. Sean over at Triple B has had a lot to do with the 15V and the custom heat treat that's going on this thing. You guys know that they've already dropped the Spyderco Manix 2, the PM2, and the Shaman all in 15V. And here we now have the Spyderco Mule Team in CPM 15V. There you go. You got the Triple B handmade logo right there. Looks beautiful. And you know, this might just become a daily driver. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. Because it is definitely cool. That is for sure. And then we got the C230 Little Native wooden knife kit right here. And this one is got my collector club with the hollow sticker on it, 016. I'm going to guess that they didn't put the collector club actually on the wood. That's why they gave this hollow sticker. But you know what? It's cool regardless. So there you go. That one we might just leave packaged up. But you guys know the deal. Anytime we open up a new box of Spydercos, or really any new knives, we got to check out and see what the edges are like. You know what I mean? So let's get this set up. So we're going to start with this. You know what? I'm going to save the serrations. The serrations might be crazy sharp. We'll see. In the meantime, we're going to start with this one here, S35VN. Let me see if that light helps. Sure. And let's see what we're dealing with here. Spyderco S35VN. There we go. Right at 100 on the ambitious S35VN plain edge. Fantastic result. So that's encouraging. That is crazy sharp. For those that don't know, anything under 200 here is extremely good. But let's check out the Little Native. This is in CPM Crewwear blade steel, Knife Center exclusive, Little Native. All right, here we go. Holy shit. Okay. Just the other day, I had another small knife, which was the Benchmade Immunity, full immunity, in M4 that got a 45. And now this Spyderco Little Native right here has just beaten that for the sharpest plain edge blade that I've ever had straight out of the box. 35 is crazy sharp. Just to let you know, I mean, I can certainly get a knife down to 35 or below, but it takes some time. It is not easy to do. And that thing is, well, as they would say up in the Northeast, a wicked shot. Now let's see if we can top that. Golden Colorado coming in hot with the 35. We need to get this ambitious out of here because that thing was just a simple hundo. Let's set this guy right here. Now let's see if Saki City, what they're dealing with. CPM M4, which is a wonderful steel, by the way. Let's see what it's like on this Delica. Here we go. Okay. 90 for the Spyderco Delica CPM M4. Still nowhere even close to the 35 of that crew wear. That thing, that's insane. That's, we're talking crazy levels sharpness going on that guy. Okay, now we're down to the mule and the serrations. Let's go with the serrations first. S35VN. We're going to pick one of these middle. We'll pick that larger serration right there. Here we go. Okay, 85. 85 is certainly an excellent result for the serrations, but still nowhere near that crew wear. Okay, CPM 15V Spyderco Mule Team number 39. Let's see what it is. Golden, Colorado. Here it is. Okay, 85. So again, a very good result. However, you know what? Just for shits and giggles, we're going to go ahead and test this little native one more time, just so we know it wasn't a fluke. One more time on the little native. Here we go. Damn. So I got a 35 and a 40, which is just absolutely incredible. 35 is just stupid sharp. This thing is, wow, it's crazy. For right out of the box, I mean, generally speaking, the edges that you get right out of the box are not that wonderful. I don't know if you can see. There you go. You can see the media right there that I'm cutting. 40 is crazy. So a 35 and a 40. This sharpness tester here only measures in 5-gram increments. And so, maybe it's 37 or whatever. Not a big deal. The thing is freaking sharp. That's what I'm trying to tell you, people. So anyway, hopefully you guys enjoyed that. I got a whole pile of knives over here off to the right that I'm going to go ahead and do a video on as well. This is all the stuff I picked up from Blade Show. And we're going to check out and see, does anything top at 35? I don't know. We'll find out. So that'll be fun. And, come and check that out. We're just going to do some sharpness testing, and I'm going to show off the knives that I picked up at Blade Show. Thanks a lot, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. I'm out of here.